Hello everyone, welcome to my world of English literature and language. Today I will talk about case of pronoun, number of pronoun, gender of pronoun and person of pronoun. So let's go to learn case of pronoun. What is case of pronoun? Case of pronoun is the state or condition of a person with respect to the other words in a sentence. It highlights the functions of pronoun in the sentence as the subject or the object or to show possession. Now let's see what are the types of case. We find nominative case, objective case and possessive case. Now see nominative case. What is nominative case? When a pronoun is used as the subject of a verb in a sentence, it is said to be in the nominative case. As she is writing a book. Here the pronoun she is the subject of the principal verb writing. Then see objective case. What is objective case? When a pronoun is used as the object of a verb in a sentence, it is said objective case. As she gives me a book. Here the pronoun me is the subject of the verb gives. Now see possessive case. What is possessive case? It shows ownership or possession. Here have a look case of pronouns. Nominative case, objective case, possessive case. I, me, mine or my. We, us, ours or our. You, yours or your. He, him, his. She, her, hers, her. It, its. They, them, theirs or their. Who, whom, whose. Then learn number of pronoun. What is number of pronoun? In grammar, number refers to the count of a noun or pronoun. Here we find two kinds of number, singular number and plural number. See singular number. What is singular number? A noun or pronoun that denotes one person or thing is called singular number. Here I, she, he, it, these are singular number. Now see plural number. What is plural number? A noun or pronoun that denotes more than one person or thing is called plural number. Here we, they, these are plural numbers. Here have a look number of pronouns in one slide. I, me, you, your, he, she, him, his, her, it, this, that, myself, ourself, himself, herself are singular numbers. We, us, our, you, your, they, them, theirs, these, those, ourselves, yourselves, themselves are plural numbers. Then see gender of pronoun. What is gender of pronoun? In grammar, the sex is referred to gender. Here we find masculine gender, feminine gender and neuter gender. What is masculine gender? The masculine gender refers to the male sex. What is feminine gender? The feminine gender refers to the female sex. Or what is neuter gender? The neuter gender refers to neither male nor female. It refers to the lifeless things. Here, have a look gender of pronoun in on slide. He, his, him, himself are masculine genders. She, her, herself, hers are feminine genders. It, its, itself are neuter gender. Then see persona pronoun. We know that person is divided into three categories: first person or second person or third person. First person refers to the person speaking. Second person refers to the person spoken to. Third person refers to the person or thing spoken about. Here, have a look personal pronoun in on slide. Here, I, we are first persons. You is second person. He, she, it are third persons. Thank you.